Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe a family member whom you would like to work with in the future. Let's begin with the cue card. Describe a family member whom you would like to work with in the future. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say who the person is. Have you ever worked with the person before? What kinds of work you would like to do with the person, and explain how you will feel if you can finally work together. Let's start with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, when we work with a family member, we can learn from each other, which helps both expand our knowledge and business. Here, I would like to talk about my cousin brother with whom I would like to work in the future. His name is John, who is my maternal uncle's son. He is running a successful IT company through which he earns lakhs of rupees every month. He has years of experience in developing websites and mobile apps and providing online services. I'm attracted to his business a lot because of that. I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science. I haven't worked with him before, but sometimes I visit his office to understand his work. I must say I have a good interest in designing rather than development because I am really good at drawing. He recently shared some good tutorials on web designing, which helped me understand basic principles and acquire some valuable knowledge. Due to my studies, I cannot go to his workplace every day, so I practice at home using my personal laptop. He is happy to see my progress and improvement in communication skills. So he always encourages me to become an expert in this field. I have to say, when I will start working with him, I will be over the moon. I will help him to manage his work through my interpersonal and designing skills, which will ultimately allow me to earn a good income. Moreover, I may be able to work for his overseas clients, which will expand the business beyond its limits. So, he is the person with whom I really like to work in the future. So, this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now, we will look at follow ups for this cue card. The very first one is: are there any positive effects of working with a family member? Well, there are some obvious positive effects of working with a family member. Family members know our weaknesses and strengths very well, so they can guide us accordingly, which can save us time and energy. Then, working with family members can be more supportive and enjoyable because they have strong bonding with each other. Next question is: what kinds of family businesses are there in India? I would say there are almost all kinds of family businesses in India. We can easily see families running manufacturing, textile, and food factories, especially in cities. Also, we can see families in villages working together in agriculture and dairy business. Next question is: why do people like to set up a family business? I think individuals set their own goal company because they want to become successful. When someone starts their own business, All family members share various responsibilities which helps them achieve a common goal. This helps them become rich and successful. Next question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a family business? The main benefit of owning a family business is to become your own boss rather than working for someone else. Also, the whole family becomes rich when a family business becomes successful. On the other hand, there are chances of rising disputes among family members on financial and work matters. Next question is, what are the causes for the success of a family business? I believe the reason for becoming successful in a family business is the mutual efforts of all family members. People give their best to do certain work related tasks, which can be helpful to achieve the desired goal. Moreover, in business, they can work more than 8 to 10 hours to grow their business. Next question is, how is the relation among members of a family business? As far as I know, family members' relationship among one another plays a key role in running a successful company. They can support each other not only in work but also morally in tough times, which is really essential while facing difficulties. So, these were the sample follow ups for this cue card that can be asked by the examiner. So if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. We live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.